Hi, in this video, let us see how to use throws class in exception handling. You will create a class now. I give the name of the class as throws demo, and inside this class we declare a method public void don't call me. Name of the method. Okay, don't call me. And inside this method, let's have a system.out.println, and let us print a text inside don't call me method. Okay, and inside this method we will throw a exception. So let us use the throw is used to throw a new exception. Okay, so let first we will create a exception, illegal access exception. We create this object of illegal access exception, and we throw this exception. So in this code we are getting one compilation error. It says unhandled exception type illegal access exception. So we have two ways to fix this problem. One is we can use a try catch block around it, or we can use throws class. So throws class we can use it here. So if you don't want to handle any exception in a method, what we can do is we can declare that this method throws an exception. So how to declare it? By using the throws class. So throws class throws illegal access exception. So what is the use of doing this? By seeing this documentation, right? So the person or the programmer who is going to call this method in a class, in this class, he or she can handle the exception using the try catch block. Okay, so it is used to make others to aware that this method throws a exception, right? Okay, so this is how we can. So throws class is used to declare that the method throws an exception. Okay, so let us save this code. So we have written a class throws demo, and inside this class we have a don't call me method, and inside this method we are throwing a illegal access exception. So since this exception is here, this illegal access exception is a checked exception. Either we have to handle that exception, or we have to use this throws class to declare that exception. So we have to declare using throws class and declare that this method throws this exception. Okay, so if you throw any checked exception, you will have to either handle it using try catch block, or you have to use the throws class. Right, now let us have a main class to call this object, call this method. Okay, so we can create a main class now, and have a main method public static void main. Inside the main method we will create the object of throws demo, and we call the don't call me method. So here again we are getting compilation error when we try to call the don't call me method using the throws demo object instance. We are getting the compilation error, unhandled exception type, illegal access exception. So again we can fix this compilation error either by using the try catch block, or we can use the throws class. So let us use the try catch block to handle this. Okay. And inside the catch block we have here system.out.println to print a text inside catch block. Okay. Now let us run this code and see the output. So now we got these text printed inside the don't call me method and inside catch block. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to use throws class. Okay. So whenever we think that the method we have written is vulnerable to throw exception, particularly checked exception, then either we have to use try catch block to handle it, and or if you don't want to handle it, then we have to use throws class to declare that we are not handling it.